talk about nature and how incredibly powerful it is. I mean, do you see this steel bar? I don't know if it was like a sign previously, but there's a steel bar here. And this beautiful tree here is like, oh look. Oh my gosh. That's incredible. Wow. My name is Chris, but I spell it C-H-R-I-S. 6 Chris, Christ. Interesting. Oh, that's pretty amazing. Oh, that looks like a heart. I love it. But this tree is literally grown around. You see this? This tree is literally encompassed and made this steel bar a part of it. Pretty interesting. Pretty cool. How about that?